Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of November. And first of all, national news. Mamata Banerjee to announce two new districts in West Bengal, a report said. Kerala police station attacked over Adani port protest case against 3,000. Right to freedom of religion does not include center to Supreme Court. Amazon to wind down parts of Indian operations like hundreds, a report said. Hackers demanded 200 crore from AIMS, server down for 6 days, a report said. Bharat Biotech to launch first nasal COVID vaccine, no efficacy data released. IIM Udaipur hosted third edition of TEDx IIM Udaipur, 8 Indian chain makers participated. India's first startup operated launch pad, Mission Control Center inaugurated. Government extended Foreign Secretary's tenure until April 30, 2024. Iran filmmaker barred from India travel. Passport was taken away, a report said. Gujarat elections, around 519 fishermen from the state are present in Pakistani jails. For families of Gujarat fishermen in Pak jails, getting their relatives back only poll issue. Mehbooba Mufti asked to vacate government quarter in Kashmir. PM Modi addressed several public meetings in Gujarat on 28 November. Maharashtra challenge tribunal order on third gender option in form. Supreme Court disapproved of law minister's remarks on judges' appointment. Can't be town planner. Supreme Court on High Court's Andhra capital order. And now international news. Gaslighting is Merriam-Webster's 2022 word of the year. After deadly fire, China eased COVID curbs in Xinjiang. China's big news: astronauts left Tuesday. 6 months in space. Next COVID strain could be worse. A lab report said the study was conducted by a South African laboratory using COVID 19 samples. After Maldives, Australia denied participating in China led Indian Ocean Forum meet. Ronaldo received $2,025 million offer to join Saudi giants Al Nassr, a report said. Mars once had ocean like water on its surface. A study claims world's largest volcano in Hawaii erupts for first time in 40 years. Russia welcomed Vatican's offer to mediate, but said Ukraine not on board. Now some sports news. Ruturaj Gaikwad hit 7 sixes in an over in Vijay Hazare Trophy match, achieved world record. Iran has released more than 700 prisoners after the national team's World Cup football victory over Wales. Indian chess GMSL Narayanan left to stand barefoot for metal detector check during match in Germany. Riyan Parag's blistering 174 powers Assam past Jammu and Kashmir in Vijay Hazare Trophy quarterfinals. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty closed at a record high for the third consecutive session. Rupee reversed early losses to end nearly flat at 81.67 per dollar. India most preferred destination globally for investments. Vice President. Bank credit growth rose to 17.2% in July to September, RBI. SEBI revised framework for approving changes in control of intermediaries. SEBI to bring settlement scheme for brokers involved in illiquid stock option cases. India to receive first LNG gas cargo from Indonesian plant. Committee may suggest complete liberalization of natural gas pricing by 2026, a report said. Centre got rupees 5001 crore dividend from ONGC. S&P rating slashed India's growth forecast to 7% for this year. Oil slumped to lowest since 2021 as China's COVID protest fueled demand worries. Now news from science and technology. Researchers investigate the secret to octopus intelligence. China rocket taking 3 to space station to blast off Tuesday. SpaceX Dragon carrying solar panels and science experiments docks with International Space Station. Webb telescope revealed distant planets' atmosphere in unprecedented detail. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.